In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user account in Windows 11. Adding a separate user account is really useful if you share your computer with family, friends, or coworkers. Each person can have their own personalized desktop, files, and settings without interfering with anyone else's stuff. Let's walk through the process step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own computer. First, we need to open the Windows settings. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter I together. That should bring up the settings window. If you prefer using your mouse, you can also click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click the small gear icon, or search for Settings, and open it from there. Once Settings is open, look on the left-hand side and find the section called Accounts. Go ahead and click that. This is where Windows manages everything related to users, sign-in options, and your Microsoft account. Inside the Accounts section, look for Family and Other Users, or a very similar option, depending on your Windows 11 version. Click that, and you'll see an area where you can add someone else to this PC. Now, find the button that says Add Account, or Add Other User. When you click this, Windows will ask how you want to set up the new user. In most cases, it will suggest using a Microsoft account, which lets the person sync settings and files across devices and use apps like Microsoft Store, OneDrive, and Outlook. If the new person already has a Microsoft email, like an Outlook or Hotmail address, you can type it in here and follow the prompts. Windows will guide you through confirming their account and assigning them to this computer. If you don't want to use an online account, look for the option that says something like, I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then choose to add a user without a Microsoft account. This lets you create a simple local account with just a username and password that only exists on this PC. After you've entered the username and optionally a password and security questions, click Next. Windows will create the new profile. You'll now see this new account listed under Other Users, or a similar section on the same page. From now on, when you restart or sign out, you'll see this new user account on the sign-in screen. The person can click their name, sign in, and Windows will set up a fresh desktop and personal folders just for them.